is the Airtruck, an agricultural aircraft designed specifically for maximum agricultural efficiency. It carries more chemical than any aircraft of equal power, spreads it wider and more accurately, with pilot safety and greater operating efficiency. The Airtruck's unusual shape serves a number of purposes. The fuselage is virtually a flying hopper that spreads agricultural chemicals in a wide and uniform pattern. The widely separated tails are well out of the path of the chemicals to not only cut down on costly maintenance, but to provide a unique and highly efficient loading system. The Airtruck is specially designed for bulk loading. The loading vehicle can drive right up to the hopper to load a full ton of chemical in seconds. The pilot doesn't wait for the loader to move away. He takes off the moment his hopper is filled. The Airtruck can operate from the roughest airstrip, even in crosswinds, thanks to its rugged tricycle undercarriage. The trailing legs swing back as they strike obstacles, while the special heavy-duty hydraulic shock absorbers soak up every impact. Even with a ton of chemical on board, the Airtruck has amazing lift and maneuverability. For safety, the entire load can be jettisoned in less than 3 seconds. Safety, quick loading, and a wide coverage make the Airtruck a highly efficient agricultural implement. The Airtruck is built in Australia by the Transfield Corporation at its modern factory in Sydney. The heart of the Airtruck is the integral chemical hopper. The dual outlets are designed to release the chemical outwards towards the tips of the stub wings. All fixed-wing aircraft create wingtip vortices in flight. In an agricultural aircraft of conventional design, the wingtip vortices are too far away from the outlet to have any effect in spreading. The chemical falls from a single outlet almost vertically. The Airtruck has been designed to take full advantage of these vortices. Not only is there a vortex created at the tips of the main planes, the stub wings also create their own vortices. The dual outlets of the hopper feed the chemical into the turbulent wake of the stub wings towards the stub wing vortex, which carries it further outwards to be picked up in the main plane vortex, spreading it over a wide, even swath. The Airtruck's wide coverage is also of great value in spreading pasture seeds or concentrated fertilizers, usually difficult to distribute evenly. In this case, a special spreader is attached to make pasture seeding a simple task, even where land vehicles can't go. Thanks to the turbulent wake set up by the stub wing, the spreader can handle all types of seeds and concentrates. The seeds flow from the hopper into the mouth of the spreader, where the airflow drives them out, covering up to 30 meters wide. The spreader can be removed in a few minutes and separated into two pieces. These fit easily into the Airtruck's rear cabin for transport to and from the job. The pilot is positioned for the clearest view in a strong steel-framed cockpit above the engine and the load, not between them. The hopper structure is of chrome molybdenum steel, sealed and protected against internal corrosion. Argon arc welding assures greater strength. All basic parts are formed and shaped with precision tools and machines which guarantee uniformity. The uniformity is carried through in the assembly of the major units. All these are built in jigs so that the finished units match perfectly. Precision is the watchword in the Transavia factory. Every part is closely inspected and checked to ensure accuracy. The fuel tanks are fitted in the wings, well away from the fuselage, and like all Airtruck parts, they fit perfectly. Even the largest units fit together like Meccano. mating parts match up perfectly. The aircraft is finished with chemical-resistant paint. All parts of the twin tails are interchangeable. Left and right-hand units are exactly the same. The Airtruck's wing fences prevent airflow turbulence from spreading to the ailerons and flaps, and full aileron control is maintained even in a stall. A light tail buffeting warns the pilot before a stall develops. The flaps oppose the stub wings and are effective even well away from the ground. Flaps and ailerons are identical and interchangeable. With the fuel tanks in the wings, fuel lines and the emergency shut-off valve are outside the fuselage. The large diameter pipes ensures there's no vaporization trouble, even in the hottest climate. The Airtruck is powered by the Rolls-Royce Continental engine, mounted in a roomy engine bay for easy maintenance. The 300 horsepower fuel injection engine works hard on only 13 imperial gallons per hour. With plenty of space for the mechanic, it's easy to inspect the engine quickly and completely. Plenty of space in the rear, too. 2 workmen can be carried in the rear cabin, built of fiberglass, impervious to chemicals. As a sprayer, the Airtruck carries 220 gallons and sprays it over a wide, even swath. The power mist spray system is engine-driven and provides constant chemical pressure even on the ground. There's no drag from an external pump or fan. The power comes from the engine, through a flexible drive to an electric clutch, then down a gear belt to the pump, mounted inside the aircraft at the base of the chemical tank. To start the pump, the pilot engages the clutch with a switch on the control panel. Full pressure instantly, even on the ground. Valuable for calibrating nozzles or flushing out the system. And again, safety. The full 220 gallons can be jettisoned in 4 seconds, a useful tool in fighting fires. But it's agriculture for which the Airtruck has been designed. The power mist system can deliver up to 120 gallons per minute in a wide, uniform pattern with deep penetration. And there's little time lost at the end of the run. The maneuverability of the Airtruck allows the pilot to swing back for the next run in minimum time. The Airtruck's clear visibility allows the pilot to place his chemical accurately with safety and confidence. Safety, strength, maneuverability, a ton of chemical, and a wide, even coverage. It adds up to the most efficient all-round agricultural aircraft, the PL-12 Airtruck.